Hello, 大家好, I'm Ivy. Yes, today what we are going to learn. Yes, today we are going to learn some Chinese that is related with the current situation. Because now there is coronavirus. A lot of people, they need some protection, right? But they don't know how to say it in Chinese. They want to find out in China, but they have to type in Chinese, even pinyin. So now today we learn about those words. Okay? So how to say protective articles in Chinese. This is the topic that we are going to learn today. How to say protective articles. Protective is 防护防护 yes 用品 articles is 用品 together 防护用品 yes if you Google it or you go to Alibaba you type 防护用品 yes you can find what you need. So what is each of the items? How to say it in Chinese? We will figure out. This one is the most useful recently, right? Yes. So how to say the mask in Chinese? 口罩口罩口 is mouth. 罩 is cover. 罩 is cover. So 口罩口罩 is cover your mouth. So it's 口罩. This one is a normal one. Everyone can wear. If for the special case, you have to buy the high level one. Okay, this one is a 口罩. How about this? Yes, Google. Yes, how to say 护目镜护目镜护 is mean protection. 目 means 眼 eyes. 镜 is mean glass. So 护目镜 is Google's. 护目镜 yes, very good. How about this? Yes, this is the clothes, right? Yes, I know. 防护服服 is means clothes. 防护服 yes, very good. So what is this? You see here the word? Yes, that is alcohol. And so, how to say it in Chinese? 酒精酒精 yes, this one they said that can kill all the virus. Yes, 酒精 okay, let we practice one more time. 口罩口罩护目镜护目镜防护服防护服酒精酒精 yes, these four items is the most useful and the most thing that we needed at this moment. I hope you guys can find it. And so, this is a relevance word that we can know it. Okay? We did learn doctor, right? It's 医生 yes. Now all of the doctors, they are working for that and they are very tired. We have to help them, right? We have to help them. In order to help them, we have to protect ourselves very well, okay? Yes. Nurse is 护士护士 yes. 护士 is nurse. Doctors is 医生 okay? Yes. This one 小消毒液消毒液 is the liquid that clean the virus. 消毒液 yes, 消毒液 and this is for the hand, right? When we go out, we have to washing our hand all the time. Yes, this is the liquid for washing the hand. 消毒手液消毒手液消毒手 is a hand. 消毒手液 okay? Yes. This is ventilators. Ventilator is 呼吸机 yes, the machine, right? 呼吸机呼吸机 yes, this one is very, very important for the people who is in ICU, right? Yes. So ventilator, 呼吸机. Okay. So the test kit is 试剂盒. This one is also very important. 试剂盒. Yes, it is. So if we just a daily use for protect ourselves at home or go out, we just buy the common one, right? We just buy the common. How to say common in Chinese? 普通的. Yes, common mask. 普通的 mask. 口罩. Okay? 普通的口罩. Okay? If that is common to Google. 普通的护目镜. Yes, very good. If that is the cloth. 普通的防护服. Yes, you are right. That is common for everyone. Okay, but in case that we need for the doctors and for the nurse and for the people who use in the hospitals who has this kind of virus, how to say that one? It's medical. 医用的. Yes, for the medical. 医用的 medical mask. 医用的口罩. Yes, medical Google. 医用的护目镜. Yes, and medical the protection clothes. 医用的防护服. Yes, we have to make difference because that one is different. Okay? You remember? Yes, you perhaps that you don't need to remember, but you have to know how to type it when you order online. Okay? Yes. So this is some sentence that talk about ask. How, right? Do you have a mask? How to say it? 你有口罩吗? Yes. 你有口罩吗? Do you have Googles? 你有护目镜吗? Yes. Do you have protection clothes? 你有防护服吗? Yes. So if they say sell out, what do you have to say? Yes. 卖完了. It means sell out. 卖完了. If you have to say 有. That's all. 有. Okay? 有. It means that you have. Okay? Let me review one more time. 你有口罩吗? 你有口罩吗? Yes. 卖完了. Or 有. Okay? Yes. And this one, I want to order. 我要 is I want. Order is 订. 我要订 mask 口罩。我要订 Google 护目镜。Yes, I want to order protection clothes. 我要订防护服。Yes, or I want to order test kits. Test kits 试剂盒。我要订试剂盒。Yes, or I want to order ventilators. 我要订呼吸机。Yes. And you have to ask, how many do you want to order? They will ask you, 你要订多少？多少 is many, right? 订 is order, right? 你要订多少？ How many do you want to order, right? And about the numbers that we did learn many times ago, many days ago. So you can review my last videos. Okay, today the videos is very short, but I hope that it can help you in some case. Yes, thank you for watching my videos. If you are interested in my class, please subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.